also a fishing village in St. Lucia where we get most of our seafood. And then when you see the beauty and the scenery of the cliff, down to the village. We will be in village in a few minutes. If you look at the top of the cliff, we're going up. We see a little peak. That is the Piton in Sucre. We're just getting the start of the Piton right now, but it's not the full view. We're going to see it as soon as we go close to Sucre. Right now, this is just a valley leading us to the fishing village of Canaries. So this is exactly the beauty of it. It's very windy right now, and I hope that when you come to St. Lucia, you will enjoy the sunlight, you will enjoy the blue skies, and everything will be fine. The cloud will be a little bit, it's going to be raining soon, but we are enjoying it right now. It might make the rain in Soufre or hereabout, but we're still having a beautiful weather, and the day is still young, and we hope to go around and show you everywhere we can show you in St. Lucia. It's a beautiful island.